A 90-foot Egyptian lady was originally intended to welcome sailors from the Suez Canal into the Mediterranean. But rather than Egypt bringing light to Asia, she crossed the Atlantic in search of the American dream. Prepare a watermelon slice garnish. Chill a Collins glass and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Orgeat adds a beautiful touch of sweetened almond. Fresh lemon juice adds natural acidity and balance. Pomegranates are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in the world and are a firm favourite of the Egyptians. Seeds as well as paintings of watermelons have been discovered in Egyptian tombs built more than 4,000 years ago, including the world-famous King Tut. Apricots are a very common sight in the bustling markets of this country. The Bitter Truth apricot liqueur perfectly encapsulates their distinctive, ripe, fruity flavour. Maker's Mark 46 is a bold and spicy bourbon that provides the perfect backbone to this cocktail. Yuzu is a light and delicate sake liqueur made by macerating yuzu, a Japanese citrus fruit, in Jinju-grade sake. Fill with cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the Collins glass. Pour. Top with soda and gently churn to integrate all of the flavors together. Carefully position the watermelon slice garnish. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.